what's quite interesting is, what I'd like you to think about is all the use cases in which connecting cellular devices to your Zero Trust policy is really going to be very valuable to you. Now I'll start off with some basic ones, and excuse the drawing, I am not an artist, and I'll try with the wheels this time. But let's draw a pretty basic car. So that car today has a SIM in it, and it's going to be connecting to the Zero Trust Exchange. What's amazing is how a SIM is connecting not only the vehicle, but all the telemetry information, all the entertainment units, and everything that the car is now connected, and is basically software. A data center on wheels is able to connect, and we can connect this through our Zero Trust Exchange, and you can apply policy to it. Same goes for rail networks. We're able to work with rail operators to not only track and trace their rolling stock in vehicles, but we can also monitor the sensors, we can monitor the way in which the speed of trains. All from these use cases are all going to be connecting via SIMs back into Zscaler. What's really interesting though is examples we didn't think about, and things like, and I'll try again and draw it accurately here, would be a bridge. Now I'm going to try and draw, let's see if this works. That's pretty good. These actually have sensors on them that are connected back into companies' ecosystems to allow telemetry to be sent from sensors that maybe the bridge is swaying too far, or maybe a foundation's moved. This allows for that information to be sent back into a corporate ecosystem securely. Again, everything's hitting across the mobile network, any mobile network in the world, the Zero Trust Exchange through that Zscaler Cellular service. What really becomes fascinating is where it goes into the next level of devices and things that are more and more modern. I mentioned vehicles and rail and so forth, but there's track and tracing. So you could think now even boxes within logistics, not only the ones sitting on your shelf that have been delivered to your home from maybe your favorite online store, but it could also be devices and shipping or tracking of devices and cars and vehicles and containers as they move across the world to ensure that perhaps there is a temperature control that needs to be monitored. What this all means ultimately is that these are all connected in an egress way out to the Zero Trust Exchange and on to the rest of the world. This is just a small example of what is available. The question that you should be asking, and I hope you are, is that, well, hold on, what if I need to log in and connect to these devices? So not devices going out, but being outside and coming in.